Hello dear students and my dear colleague teachers. Myself Dr. P.K. Verma. Today I shall begin with discussion of the plant kingdom, that is kingdom Plantae. You know that the plant kingdom contains 5 divisions: Thallophyta, Bryophyta, Pteridophyta, Gymnosperms and Angiosperm. In the earlier classification of Eichler, the plant kingdom was divided into 2 groups: the seedless or Cryptogamia and the seed-bearing plants or Phanerogamia. In the seedless, Bryophyta, Thallophyta, Pteridophyta, these 3 divisions were included, and in Phanerogamia, Gymnosperm and Angiosperms are included. These are also known as Spermatophyta. Now let me clear it. Phanerogamia means seed-bearing plants, not the flowering plant. So there must not be a confusion between the 2 terms Phanerogamia and flowering plant. Gymnosperm is seed-bearing, so it is member of Phanerogamia, but it does not bear a flower. It does not bear a fruit. So remind it, there are 4 divisions in the non-flowering plants, but the Cryptogamia includes only 3 of them. The 4th Gymnosperm and the 5th Angiosperm are members of Phanerogamia or the Spermatophyta. Now let us begin with Thallophyta. Now it includes only algae. In the earlier classifications, Thallophyta contained 2 subdivisions, algae and fungi. And fungi contained bacteria also. But now bacteria and fungi have acquired separate positions as 2 independent kingdoms: bacteria in the Monera kingdom and fungi is the kingdom fungi. Thallophyta now means only the algae. From algae, the blue-green algae or Cyanophyta also has been removed into the kingdom Monera. It is now called Cyanobacteria rather than Cyanophyta. The term algae was given by Linnaeus, who meant seaweeds. These algae are predominantly aquatic forms found in all types of environments such as streams, rivers, ponds, lakes, as well as sea. They may be found even in some unusual conditions, like in the thermal spring, on ice and snow. Those living in ice or snow are cryophytes. Those living on other plants are epiphytes. And sometimes they live on body of animals. Then it is called epizoophytes. The plant body is not differentiated into root, stem or leaf-like structure, so it is just a bunch of cells known as thallus, and therefore the name Thallophyta has been given. The cells are essentially eukaryotic and contain different type of chloroplasts. Also they contain some pigments like chlorophyll, xanthophyll and carotenoids. Their cell wall is made of cellulose coated by a layer of mucilage that protects them from desiccation. The algae may be aggregate of cells having no fixed number, that is palmelloid type, or colonial having fixed number, that is synovial type, colonial tree-like, that is dendroid, and sinusitic filamentous or leaf-like, it is foliaceous. The division algae has been classified on the basis of accessory pigments giving a specific color. So G.W. Prescott in 1968-69 made 9 phyla of algae. These were Chlorophyta, Euglenoid, Chrysophyta, Pyrophyta, Phaeophyta, Rhodophyta, Cyanophyta, Cryptophyta and Chloromonadophyta. Now see this list. It includes unicellular algae also. Euglenophyta, Chrysophyta, Pyrophyta, Cyanophyta, Cryptophyta and Chloromonadophyta. These all are unicellular. Therefore, 5 classes are included in kingdom Protista, that is Euglenophyta, Chrysophyta, Pyrophyta, Cryptophyta and Chloromonadophyta. These are separated as kingdom Protista. And the 6th, Cyanophyta, is now member of Monera. Remaining 3, the Chlorophyta or Chlorophyceae, Phaeophyta or Phaeophyceae, Rhodophyta or Rhodophyceae, that is green algae, brown algae and red algae, are now member of the group algae or the Thallophyta. So now algae means multicellular, plant-like, with cellulosic cell wall and chloroplast. The first class Chlorophyceae, that is green algae, has following properties. The green algae constitute a large group comprising about 7,000 species. Most of these are freshwater forms. Now this class comprises multicellular synovial forms such as Hydrodictyon, filamentous unbranched forms, that is Spirogyra, Eulothrix or Udogonium, filamentous branched forms such as Cladophora and heterotrichous siphonaceous form, etc. The cells possess one or more chloroplasts that may be girdle-shaped, such as in Eulothrix, a spiral, such as in Spirogyra, a star-shaped, such as in Zygnema, reticular in Odogonium, or disc-shaped in Cara. They bear chlorophyll A and chlorophyll B. The chloroplast bear one or more a special structure known as pyrenoid. These pyrenoids are the site of starch synthesis and its storage. It is not found in chloroplast of the higher organisms, higher plants. In the favorable condition, the plant may propagate by fragmentation. That is, any fragment of the plant body will grow and become long or larger. Otherwise, a sexual reproduction occurs by formation of achinids such as in Zygnema and Pythophora, zoospores such as in Ulothrix, planospores in Oedogonium, and hypnospores, etc. The sexual reproduction generally occurs at the end of favorable season, that is after rainy season. It may be isogamous, such as in Spirogyra, Ulothrix, Cladophora, and isogamous, such as in Hermidium, or oogamous, such as in Oedogonium, Vaucaria, and Cara, etc. In Spirogyra, sexual reproduction takes place by conjugation. Zygote is only diploid phase of life cycle. It may form zygospores that have a dormant phase of many weeks to a few months. In the favorable condition, the zygospores absorb water, become active, and undergo meiosis to form 4 haploid spores. These spores form the haploid filaments or a zoospore and then settle somewhere to form the haploid filament. Now see the photograph of a Spirogyra. You can see many spiral chloroplast in the cells, so the inner part of cell is hardly visible. The nucleus or anything else is hardly visible. There are 3 to 5 such a spiral chloroplast covering the outer part of the cytoplasm. In the another photograph, it is a filament of Ulothrix. In this case, the chloroplast is girdle shaped and the length of cell is less than its width. This third photograph is that of Hydrodictyon. It chokes flow of water in the drains because it forms pentagonal ring-like or hexagonal ring-like structures. You can see how the filament form network in water body. The second class is Theophyceae, that is brown algae. This class includes mostly marine forms comprising about 2000 species. These are found mostly in the cold sea. However, ectocarpels, dictyotels, and sargassum are found in warm water also. All of them are branched. Some have developed parenchyma-like assembly of cells and often appear like a tree. The plant of Postelsia palmiformis, appear like a palm tree. It is also called sea palm. The brown algae form seaweeds, and some of them form largest plant named as kelp. Nereocystis is 20 to 30 meter tall underwater, and Macrocystis is 40 to 60 meters. It is among the largest kelp. So these are found in deep sea also. The plant body of Fucales and Laminarians is differentiated into root-like basal cell or holdfast, erect branched or unbranched tubular or compressed stipe, and leaf-like blades or fronds. So they have root, stem and leaf-like structure. Most of the brown algae are attached forms, that is lithophytes, but some of them, such as Sargassum natans and Sargassum fluitans, are free-floating. Some tree-floating species develop air bubbles or the bladders for buoyancy. Their cell wall is coated with cellulose, pectic substances, and phycocolloid. The phycocolloid mainly constitutes algin, that is alginic acid, and fucoidin, that absorb water and form dense gelatin on the surface. This specific character of the cell wall is very important. It is asked frequently in the medical entrance examinations, and it needs to be memorized again and again. In Laminaria and Fucus, outer epidermis, middle cortex, and a central medulla are developed. They also develop food conducting tubes similar to phloem. These conducting tubes are called trumpet hyphae. So it is another information of development of evolution of the brown algae above the level of green algae. The product of photosynthesis in brown algae is a sugar alcohol named as D-mannitol. It is stored as a polymer called laminarin. So this point also is important for medical entrance examination. In cytoplasm, many fucosan containing refractive vesicles are present, which are colorless underwater but turn brown or black in air because of oxidation of phenolic group. Each cell of the brown algae has more than one parietal chromatophore or the chromatoplast. They may be discoidal, ribbon-shaped or plate-like. Each chromatophore has 3 or 4 thylakoid per band and a single stalk projected and naked pyrenoid. So, like the green algae, the brown algae also contain pyrenoid. The chromatophores contain chlorophyll A, chlorophyll C, beta carotene and C carotene, along with xanthophylls. They contain large amount of the brown xanthophyll, also known as fucoxanthyl. So the brown color of the algae is due to xanthophyll or fucoxanthin. The kelp are rich source of alginic acid or algin. The brown algae propagate vegetatively by fragmentation or asexually by formation of zoospores. For sexual reproduction, gametangia are formed. The male organs are antheridia and female organs are oogonia. But these are unicellular structures. These are multicellular in case of Dictyota, particularly the antheridium. Fertilization is external in Fucus but internal in Laminaria. In both, fertilization is oogamous type. There is no postzygotic meiosis, and from the zygote, a diploid or a sporophytic plant develops. In Laminaria, a sporophyte is perennial. Sporangia are formed in them for production of biflagellated zoospores by meiosis, and these spores develop to form gametophytic plant. Thus there is a clear alternation of generation. One generation is gametophyte and another generation is sporophyte. In Fucus, only a sporophytic generation is found, and the gametes are formed by meiosis that represents a very short gametophytic generation. See this photograph. It is Laminaria. You can see flat leaf-like structure, dark brown in color. It is another species, Sargassum. It can be found in warm sea also. Now, this is a Fucus plant, and this is another species, Fucus vesicularis. The round structure seen on the surface contain air bubble so they can float freely in water. Now come to the third class, Rhodophyceae or red algae. There are as many as 5,000 species of red algae. They mostly found in warmer sea and as deep as 90 meters. Only a few genera such as Batrachospermum and Campsopogonum are freshwater form. These are generally lithophytes with a well-developed root-like holdfast in most of the species. Some species such as Porphyridium is unicellular, Asterocystis is palmelloid, and most other species are filamentous, uniaxial or multiaxial and branched. Batrachospermum is uniaxial, but the Polysiphonia is multiaxial or branched. Their cell walls are made of cellulose, pectic substances, as well as mucopolysaccharides forming phycocolloids. The phycocolloid include agar, it is a precious thing, ceraginin and thunori. Agar is extracted from the pectic layers of different species of Gelidium, Gracilaria and Chondrus. It is used in making the culture medium for bacteria and fungi. It was sometimes used as the scented sticks that is known as agarbatti. Agar is used as agarbatti. When it is burnt, it gives a pleasant smell. In subclass Benzoidea, the cell possesses a single stellate axial chromatophore with a central naked pyridinoid. In subclass Floridae, many discoid or band-shaped parietal chromatophores are present, and these are devoid of pyridinoid. The photosynthetic pigments include chlorophyll A, chlorophyll D, carotene, xanthophyll, biliverdin, or phycobilin. There are two types of phycoproteins, biliverdins, the R-phycoerythrin and R-phycocyanin. Phycoerythrin gives red color and phycocyanin gives blue color. Phycoerythrin can absorb blue rays even in the deeper sea. The food glucose is stored in the form of Floridian starch, which is a branched polymer similar to amylopectin and glycogen. Their vegetative propagation can occur by fragmentation. For asexual reproduction, they produce non-motile spores. Their sexual reproduction is more advanced. Their male sex organs, antheridia or spermatangia, produce immotile male gametes, whereas the female sex organ, carpogonium, produces ovum. In fact, the flagellated stage is completely absent in red algae, so neither the spore nor the male gamete is motile. The male gametes or spermacia are carried to carpogonia by water current, and there is interfertilization. From the zygote, a diploid sporophyte called carposporophyte develops. On maturity, they develop sporangia and produce non-motile haploid spores. Thus, there is an alternation of gametophytic and sporophytic generations. It is the photograph of Batrachospermum. It is also found in fresh water, so it has high amount of green chloroplast. It is another species, Polysiphonia. You can see it is reddish in color. Now it is the red algae Gelidium, and the last one is another red algae Gracilaria. These are used as source of agar. Now just summarize. The green algae are mostly freshwater forms, cell wall made of cellulose, thylakoid stacked in groups of 2 to 20, chlorophyll A and B are present, fucoxanthin and phycobilins are absent, reserve food is starch, motile flagellated male gametes are present, 2 to 8 equal flagella apically attached to the spore. Zygote represents diploid phase. In the brown algae, most are marine in tidal and subtidal region of colder sea, a few in the warm water. Cell wall contains cellulose and algin. Thylakoid stacked in group of 3. chlorophyll A and chlorophyll C are present. In place of B, there is chlorophyll C. Fucoxanthin present, but phycobilin absent. Reserve food is laminarin. Motile flagellated spores with two unequal bilaterally arranged flagella are present. There is alternation of generation. Agar is extracted from pectic layer of Gelidium, Gracilaria and Chondrus plants. These are also cultured for extraction of agar. In the red algae, these are mostly marine. In the warm water, cell wall contains cellulose, thylakoid not stacked. Along with chlorophyll A, chlorophyll D is present. So there is a common presence of chlorophyll A in all the three classes, but green algae contains chlorophyll B, brown contains chlorophyll C, and red algae contains chlorophyll D. Fucoxanthin and phycobilin are present. In brown, fucoxanthin was present, phycobilin was absent. In green, both of them were absent. Food reserve is Floridian starch. Motile flagellated bodies are absent, neither spore nor the male gamete. Alternation of generation is present. So you have learnt everything about algae. See you in the next session.